Great. So this unlocks data faster. Your analysts and data scientists are going to get more data faster. It enables queries across multiple systems, data centers, and clouds. Most of you are working on a hybrid cloud or a multi-cloud strategy. You're going to have different data repositories of different shapes and sizes and different locations. You know that egress from the cloud can be very expensive. We don't want you replicating data that doesn't have value that's replicated. There's still a place for replication. Those data warehouses, those data lakes, those operational data stores are not going away. What they're going to do is get smaller and leaner and more focused on delivering value, because the mesh is going to be able to supply that broader analytics need that often gets shoved into one of those locations. And it creates a virtual data hub. What often ends up happening is, yes, the data scientists and analysts start to see value. And of course, that value moves into business as those AI algorithms are deployed to customer-facing and workforce-facing applications. But then InfoSec gets really excited because they stop and say, wait a minute, there's a single plane that I can manage. It has deep security. It does data masking. It has governance. I can apply differential permissions. I can apply RBAC over the top of it. Yes, good data mesh construction allows you to have a singular security plane. We often start with InfoSec saying, I'm not sure if this is a good idea. It's going to give us too much access to the information. And after a few conversations, they're like, I really like this idea. It's going to give us a single place to manage. What often ends up happening is that these different data stores have different levels of permissions that they can apply. Sometimes they're store only, sometimes they're file only, sometimes they're table only. Sometimes you can't get down to the row and column, but a mature data mesh with that access plane allows you to apply those permissions. And what we often find is that it starts with InfoSec dragging their heels, and then it ends with InfoSec pushing harder, saying, I want this sooner because it's going to solve a lot of our problems.